What's the meaning of barn dance? Barn dance. Barn dance.
Barn dance. Barn dance. A barn dance is a social event where people come together to dance, socialize, and have fun in a rustic setting. It typically takes place in a barn or other rural location, featuring live music and traditional folk dances. The term barn dance originated in America in the late 19th century and has since been adopted by other countries, including the UK and Canada. The dances are usually simple and easy to learn, with a caller instructing the dancers on the steps. Barn dances are often associated with country and Western culture, but can also incorporate other genres of music and dance styles. Overall, a barn dance is a celebration of community, music, and culture.